Hi and welcome to Smart Ways Passive Income. My name's Royston Gold and we've put this little site together to help people who are starting out trying to work out ways of making money online. It can be quite overwhelming with all the gurus and all the different information out there at the moment. So we hope to focus in here for you with some ready-made programs and courses and tools to help you get started today. So first up, we've got Auto Affiliate Program. This in our mind is one of our most favorite programs on the internet at the moment. It's a ready-made system for you using ebooks, and you get your own website. I won't go into too much detail here. I'll let you click the image and go over to the website to listen to the video there to explain more about it. But it is a fantastic system and one that we highly recommend. The second tools that we've got here for you today are ready-made blog niche websites. This means that you get a ready-made website, all custom made to whatever niche that you wish to have them made to. And these are fantastic because if you're not into programming or making websites yourself, then these are already made and all you've got to do is drive traffic to them through social media platforms such as Pinterest, Instagram or Facebook, and then people will obviously see your products, click on your links, and then you make money. So again, these are brilliant if you're just starting out, and they save you all the headache of setting up your own site. The next up, we've got a course for you, Make Passive Income with Kindle Books. Now this course covers becoming an author of Kindle Books, or getting somebody else to ghostwrite your Kindle Books for you, or turning your blog information or posts into a Kindle book and then getting it published on Amazon. So we highly recommend this course. The guy goes right from the start, right to the finish, and helps you right through from writing the Kindle ebook to publishing it on Amazon. Again, we highly recommend this course. The next one, if you're a photographer, is how to make money with photography. This goes into photography jobs for photographers mainly, but also helps people with selling their images and other photographs. Next up is a Pinterest automation tool. If you're into Pinterest, then you'll know, or Pinterest marketing I should say, then you'll know that it's so important to automate your accounts, because if you don't, you can just get sucked into Pinterest and you won't have a life. So we recommend Tailwind. Now Board Booster's sadly gone, and they've also just updated their hashtag use so that you can draw more traffic to your Pinterest account through using their hashtags. So again, we highly recommend this automation tool for Pinterest. And lastly, if you're looking for long tail keywords, which as you may know or you will know are very important for Google and the search engines to see your site, then we recommend this tool here. It's a keyword research tool, and so we highly recommend this one too. We will be adding other programs and tools to Smart Ways Passive Income blog, so please watch out for that. But for now, we highly recommend that you go to some of these tools or programs or systems to help you get started making money on the internet right away today.